Hey guys, it's Steph with Steph's Adventures and Fab Finds, and we have got an unboxing to do. And I'm Steph from Steph's Adventures and Fab Finds. Welcome to my channel if you're new here. This is what I do is unboxings this channel, and love luxury, living in life, and so thank you for joining me. And my handbag of the day is the Louis Vuitton Like Me Pochette. They've made some changes on this bag, but it is my favorite bag of all time. And one big reason being is it's just so durable, it's so beautiful, and it's perfect for everything. So I'm going to go ahead and get to the unboxing, as long as the weather and the camera holds up. And so I hope everyone's doing great today. Cold weather moved into Alabama today, and so we're finally getting some fall weather. I mean, real fall weather where it like gets cold, kind of fall weather. But let's see. This is an awful big package for what I expect it to be. So if it's what I'm thinking it might be, I'm gonna have a heart attack. But and it is. Oh God. I'd like to thank my S.A. Alley in Birmingham for getting this ordered for me and getting it to me. It is from the oh God, I can't even talk now. Oh my God. Okay, that changes everything. And yeah, so this is from the new LV Nights collection, and I'm gonna go ahead and get into it, guys. I can't stand it. I'm over the moon about it. Comes with a beautiful ribbon, gift card, thingy, all that good stuff. And let's see what else is in the box. Okay. Yes. Okay. Oh Lord, please be recording. So we'll close our little magnetic closure box. Put that out of the way. And hold the bag up. Get that out of the way. And put this bag out of the way. And if you guys don't mind, I'm going to walk up and check the camera and make sure we're recording. And I'll be right back. Okay, good deal. Yay, I just want to make sure we got this. Okay. Okay, so, like, oh my God. All right. There she blows. Oh my God. Okay, no, this is not the piece I was thinking. I've got a piece that Allie's ordered for me. That's on the way. This I bought separately. And it was a midnight decision. A spur of the moment midnight decision. But this is the Kirigami pouch set from the Christmas collection. And I'm nonetheless excited to get this one. Because to me, this is a full-on bag. And I do use a chain with it and an insert. And it's got a pink leather inside, which says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. There on the top and printed in gold leather. And it is just one big pink pocket. And then we have Petulia, Vivian's little sister, on the next pouch. That is about the size of a passport pouch. Same pink leather lining, same Louis Vuitton, made in France. And then inside of Petulia's little bag is Gaston in what would be a card size case. So we'll put that one there. And hello, Gaston. Oh, how freaking cute. And it also has the pink lining. And it comes with the product code and SKU and the little Louis Vuitton card that tells you it's made with textile material. And which is what canvas is. And so there again is that one. And that one. And I know you guys want to see it close, particularly because on the, it has a snap button closure. It has printed in Louis Vuitton. I had completely forgot about this. And Allie has me the sequin bag ordered and on the way. And I thought maybe that's what this was, but we're still too early for that one. So we'll be more than happy with the Kirigami set, okay? More than. And so, yes, how cute, right? The black is plain, the back is plain. And it is one folded piece. Another reason that I like to wear the insert with these, and I recommend those, is because there are holes on the side there. I believe that, oh, this one's done really well. No, it's sewn all the way over. Yeah, honey, no, this one's done really well. It feels like to me they gave this one a little extra stitch on the sides from the Kirigami pouch set that I have previously. Maybe that's just me, I'm not sure. But, yes, yay! And you can still wear all three together. And put them in without stacking them, really. And there we go. So I'm just loving it. Love it. Oh goodness. Oh, just gorgeous. So I'm just gonna walk each piece up and let you see the pattern on each piece. And there's Vivian. And there's Patoya. And there's Gaston. So I'm glad that you guys could join me for this unboxing. I'm gonna love these pieces to death. And I could not be any more excited. And this again is from the Louis Vuitton Christmas collection for 2023. Thank you guys for joining me. Wherever you are in the world, I hope that peace and love finds you. I hope that you have all that you ever dreamed of. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I do one of these unboxings. Particularly since I have the LV Nights sequin, silver, and pink bag on the way. You want to stay tuned for that. I also have gaming videos that I upload from time to time if you're interested in gaming. If not, I will see you guys on the next unboxing. Love.